Alright, this your boy New to fucking with the kids. Subscribe to Key Shorty, my man.
What's up? Today we back with another video.
Wait, everybody, I got something to say. I have something to say. Yes. I need everybody to be quiet so I can say this and get this out clearly. You're gay? Fuck up. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Key coming at y'all boys with another video, man. Today we did a sneeze prank. Shout out to that boy Quanta down behind the camera.
What's going on, man?
Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna try to run these up, get some crazy reactions, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We gone.
Set it up, bro.
You don't smell that?
No, but you just sneezed on me.
I just what?
You just sneezed on me.
Where?
On my back.
I did.
Yeah. Like,
I don't see no snot.
I felt it. You sneezed and I felt wet shit on my back.
Are you sure it's not like a leak or something?
Bro, you just sneezed and I felt wet shit on my back.
Well, it's my bad. I just sneezed. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's like everybody sneezes.
That's what I was looking for. I was looking for a preacher. My bad or something. Don't just keep on walking.
Yeah, you're bad for being in the way of my sneeze.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Bro, what the hell?
Bro, why you
that
throwing
was like
shit, bro? Bro, you'll be all right, bro. I just sneezed. Can you say like bless you or something?
No, I'm not gonna say, dude. I'm covered. What is this? Look at these people.
Oh, they gonna be all right.
Be firing off shotgun blasts like that in the middle of a. You should be.
Can you help me? You just gonna stand there?
What do you mean?
Do you have an extra mask?
You know what I'm saying? Do you have?
I can't whoop his ass.
What you mean? Excuse me. Do you know which one of these don't contain pork? Huh?
I don't know nothing about it, sir.
Huh?
I don't know anything about it.
About what?
Whatever you find out.
I need something that don't. I'm Muslim. I don't eat pork, but I want sausage. Oh. What happened?
Have to breathe.
Are you caught some?
I don't know, man. I don't think so.
You said what?
I said, I don't think so.
My bad, bro. Your hand's wet, bro.
And you got the wet hand? What the
Bro,
hell?
that's you, dude.
That's nasty, huh?
What happened?
What you got going on, bro?
What you mean?
Nigga just came out the bathroom beating off.
Oh, my bad. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you mind opening that for me?
I don't know.
Can you pass me those? No, those. No, those up there. Bacon, cheddar. You ever had those?
I have. I'm not sure. It looks good, but. What's up?
Appreciate you. Your hand's wet. Your hand's wet.
Yeah, because I picked up that.
Oh, you put it back?
Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate you, bro. Why you looking at me like that? Huh?
Are you filming me?
No. I'm right here. He put his back. It's melting. Like a stank. What?
What did you just spray on me?
I didn't spray nothing on you. I just sneezed. Can you pass me that? The Alfredo sauce? You kind of in the way.
Bro.
What, am I making you uncomfortable or something? I'll give you some space, my bad. Appreciate it though. Can you pass me those eggs?
What?
Can you pass me those eggs? You almost fell, my boy. You good? You good? You almost fell.
No, I'm good.
You good? My bad, bro. Is these the... No, I need 18. You got 18? You got 24? Ugh, it stank. Oh, fuck. Fuck, you seen the camera?
Yeah.
Bro, I fucking hate this fucking Do you know where the orange juice is? Hello? You know where the orange juice is? Huh? Sir. It's a prank. It's water. It's water. Hey, it's just a sneeze prank. We doing it with why he talking about he was in the bathroom beating off? What the hell? Oh shit, that shit way low. I appreciate you, bro. Look, it's a prank. It's just water. Oh. I'm sorry.
You're crazy, but I forget that I'm famous sometimes. All you ever wanted to do is shine, nigga. You got